Hello, what is the bracha of an almond covered with chocolate? Or sometimes they have those peanuts covered with chocolate, or other things like that, raisins covered with chocolate. What is the bracha? We said the bracha on whatever's inside because that's the majority. The almond, you say etz. The peanut, you say adama. The raisin, you say etz. Although there's a chocolate around, and although the Ben Ish Chai writes that whenever you have an almond covered with sugar, you say bracha shehakol. Already, the Sefer Birkat Hashem of Moshe Levi explained that the meaning is that in the time of the Ben Ish Chai, the sugar was the majority. It was more than the almond itself. And therefore, you go according to the majority. But today, usually, the almond is the majority, and the sugar around it, or the chocolate around it, is the minority, and therefore it deserves it of a bracha, borei pri ha'etz, and the peanut would be borei pri ha'adama.